Right, service goes to Narayanpur player Suresh. This is afternoon match, first match. Podasai versus Narayanpur match. So Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Podasai captain Devraj and Narayanpur captain Zadabai. Yes, service goes to Suresh, Narayanpur player. Yes, fresh match, first match, afternoon match. Narayanpur versus Podasai. Service goes to Narayanpur. Yes, Narayanpur players and Podasai players. Match is running. Yes. An interesting match. Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Big players. Match is running. Right, service goes to Narayanpur. Score 1-0. Score 1-0. Narayanpur score 1. Podasai 0. Match is running. Narayanpur captain Zadabai. Podasai captain Devraj. Devraj versus Zadabai. A score 1-0. Match is running. Bada players, big players, two team players. Yes, game is running. Afternoon match. The first match, Podasai versus Narayanpur match. 1-0 score. Narayanpur score 1. Podasai 0. Yes, afternoon match. First match, Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Match is running. Players are playing well. Two team players playing well. Yes. Narayanpur big players, Banu, Chulbul. And Podasai big players, Devraj. Match is running. Who's won, who's lost? Please watch this match. What a match, afternoon match. 1-0 score. What a taken. Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. Devraj versus Jadabai. Narayanpur versus Podasai. Yes. Match is running. Afternoon match. First match, Narayanpur versus Podasai. Devraj versus Jadabai. Who is won, who is lost? Please watch this match. Afternoon match. First match. Oh. Right, service goes to Podasai. 0-1 score. Score 0-1. Service goes to Podasai. This is big match, I think. Players are playing well. Interesting match. Podasai versus Narayanpur. Podasai home grounds. Match is running. Players are playing well. 0-1 score. Podasai captain Devraj. Narayanpur captain Zadabai. Service goes to Narayanpur player Suresh. 1-0 score. Score 1-0. Yes, Narayanpur big players, Banu, Chulbul. And Podasai big players, Devraj. Yes, this is big match, I think. Afternoon match, first match. Score 1-0. Match is running. Home grounds Podasai. Score 1-0. This is Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. Yes, what a shot by Chulbul. Yes, shots and takens. Two team players. Yes, point. Right, 2-0 score. Service goes to Narayanpur player Suresh. Narayanpur versus Padasai match. The afternoon match, first match. What a match. Afternoon match. Two team players, big players. Match is running. Right, who is lost? Who is won? Please watch this match. Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. Yes, this is big game. Big players. What a place. What a taken. Chirabai versus Devraj. Game is running. Players, all players, two team players playing well. What a takens, what a shots. Score 2-0. Narayanpur score 2 and Padasai 0. Game is running. This is big match. 0-2. Service goes to Padasai. Match is running. What a match, afternoon match. Jarabai versus Devraj. This is big fight, big war, challenging match I think. Who is won, who is lost? Please watch this match. Afternoon match, first match. What a shot by Chulbul. Yes, shots and takens. Two team players playing well. What a taken by Zarabai. Good game. This is Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. What a shot by Banu. Narayanpur team big players. Banu, Chulbul. Padasai big player Devraj. Yes, what a match. Two team players, big teams. This is game Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. Padasai versus Narayanpur match, first match. Score 0-2. Padasai 0, Narayanpur 2. Match is running. Service goes to Narayanpur 2-0. Score 2-0. What a match. This is afternoon match. Jarabai versus Devraj match. 2-0 score. Very interesting match, afternoon match. Two team players, big match, big game. Who is won, who is lost? Watch this match. Service goes to Narayanpur. Score 2-0. Match is continue. Yes, match running. Narayanpur versus Padasai match. Interesting game. Score is 2-0. Narayanpur score 2. Padasai 0. What a match, afternoon match. First match. Players, Narayanpur players and Padasai players, big game. I ask you one question. Who is the impact player? Yes. What a match. Yes, match is running. Players playing well. Padasai versus Narayanpur match. Devraj versus Jarabai. Yes, good game, good players. Match is running. Weather is good. Players are playing well. This is Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. Wow. Yes, what a taken by Padasai players. Yes, this is good game. Afternoon game. Padasai versus Naranpur match. Score 2-0. What a taken by Naranpur player. Oh. Service goes to Naranpur. Score 3-0. Score 3-0. Yes, match is running. Oh. Service goes to Naranpur. Score 4-0. Score 4-0. Naranpur service. What a match. This is big game from Padasai grounds. Padasai versus Naranpur match. Score. What a match. Score 4-0. Yes, two team players. Oh. Score 0-4. Padasai score 0. Naranpur score 4. Padasai versus Naranpur match. First match. Afternoon match. What a match. Players. Two team players. Big players. Big teams. Big match. But who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. I asked one question. Who is the impact player? Naranpur team and Padasai team. Big players. Match is running. Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. Score 0-4. Padasai score 0. Naranpur score 4. Naranpur versus Padasai. Naranpur captain Jadabai. Padasai captain Devraj. Devraj versus Jadabai. What a chance. But miss. Yes, match is running. This is good game. Padasai versus Naranpur match. Afternoon match. Yes, what a taken by Naranpur players. What a effective players. Yes, this is interesting game, I think. Please watch this match. Naranpur versus Padasai match. Who is impact player? Banu, Chulbul, Devraj. Match is running. This is Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. Afternoon match, first match. Jadabai versus Devraj. Score 4-0. Match is running. Players are playing well. Yes. Weather is good. Game is good. Players are playing well. Match is running. This is good game. What a match.